Yeah, yeah. Hello guys. This is Suresh Rattam, and today I'm going to discussing about my Instashare Instagram clone mini project app. And this is the overall view about the input instructions which are given to design this app. So first of all, we have to read this. In this project, let's build an Instashare app by applying the concepts we have learned till now. This project allows you to practice the concept and techniques learned till React course. Here, techniques means whatever we have learned till now, that is HTML, CSS, React.js, and something like the JavaScript, whatever it may be used in this project. And coming up to next, here is the prerequisites, and what are the prerequisites we have to use in this is Figma. Figma is a vector graphics editor and prototyping tool which is primarily web based. You can check more information, and here this is also website, and here it is creating account and how to create the Figma account and how to check, and all these things are shown in this. And yeah, next to this is the important, and you can check the design files for different devices. That means the app which will be shown in, and how to show in mobile and desktop, like your PC or personal computer, like that. And so this is whatever we have to see that. And okay, and so that is the devices and the instructions also here, how to npm install. Before going to do any project in our ccp idea, we have to, first of all, we have to install the npm node modules, like that. After that, whatever the output we have achieved, that output should be seen in the npm scene, that apart from that, we have used the npm start command, and the react app will be open and the output has been shown. And functionality to be added. Yeah, this is the important, major important functionalities to be added. What are the functionalities we have to use while developing this app? So different routes are used in this law in this app. So this is first of all a login route and home route, and header and user profile route, my profile route, and such functionality, and like, and so many routes are there. And so we have given important note, means don't use any third party packages and mentioning quick tips like that. And for many projects you have to use normal means like style comments, css images, and like all these things. And wrap the loader component means how to wrap the app, how to show in different devices, we have to use that. So this is the login route, the landing website. This is the main. First of all, whenever we have to open the app, first of all, it will be redirected into login page, right? So here we use the cookies also, using the key name like JW2 tokens. Some of the tokens are also used to um, like cookies and like that key names. So home root user stories, and we are learn about that after login, which we want to see like in the home root, like user stories and images, whatever users has been posted in that. And so, and coming to the app, so here I want to show you the app, like uh, sorry, yeah, this is the react app which I have developed, has been developed. I'm sorry for the internet. So this is the main login page, and whenever we have to open the app, and it will be immediately redirected to the login page, right? And before we are going to login, and first of all, the app will be checking whether it is authenticated person or an unauthenticated person. If the user has been authenticated, then he will be directly logging and go to home page, and all the things he will be do. And without, and the user has been not authenticated, and some pop-up, and the app will not recognize whether he is an authenticated person. So I will show that what the document is. So suppose I have given the username like Rahul, and the password must be yeah, I am logging. So yeah, here is the pop-up like that. So because why the pop-up is shown like this, because we have given the username is correct, but apart from that, password is did not match. So that's why this like, but here password did not match means the user has been not authenticated, right? So after that, we have given the correct password like yeah, it will be redirected into home page, right? So this is the user interface like home page. Whenever we have login the page, it will be redirected immediately to the home page. And here also some navbar is also there, and with the heading of left top corner like shows Insta Share and some logo, and search bar is also there, and home profile logout, and like all these things are shown in this home page. And here also some of the icons are also there, who can use the Instagram, and also who are the active right now, and all users are appeared here. So and this is the post, and post means the user who has been posted earlier, anything like a video or images or like that, whatever it may be. And apart from that, here we have, so whenever we have, we have, sorry for the internet problem, and whenever we have to like this post, it will be just change into red light, and amount of the likes also increased, right? And so this is one of the functionality. And like that, all the things are there, like posts, whatever the user has been posted, and whatever and here also we have the comment icon and the share icon, like that, all the things are here appear. And and here also search bar also is there, whatever, and home profile is there, and logout button whenever we have to log out, and we have, and immediately we want that to relog in that, right? And like that login pages. And guys, one more thing is here only the password did not match whenever the user want to log in the page, and he has been given the wrong password. Only wrong password is it does not matter. Whenever the user has been given the user ID also wrong, the pop-up will be appear like the username is did not match, right? And I will show that once more, please. So here username is something Swedish like that, and the password is and I have to log in. So yeah, this pop-up is also appeared like shown like invalid username. So this is also the major thing which which will be going to log in, and the user has been remembered it right now. So okay, these are this is all about the app. Whenever we have to go into the code. I will show the entire code is also there about that. Yeah, so I want to code share. Yeah, so this is the this is our CCP ID, and here is the file explorer, and here is the node modules. Guys, before we discussing about the some instructions which we have to apply in CCP, like npm install and npm start, that all the commands are used in the CCP creative, because of we have to add the node modules which are used to work in that in this IDE. And here is the main source, and this is the important tab which we have to use, and which we have to save the components, and design the what are the components we have to save and create for this app. So, and this is these all are the components which are used to design this app. And first of all is header app. No, so first of all we have to go to the login page, whether we want, whenever we have to open the app, and go to login page, right? And yeah, this is the CSS. Now the guys, we have to know about the CSS which we have the user interface has been shown and designed, and it is whatever the designs are shown, whether the app or interface, and the CSS is very useful to us. And this is the code index JS, right? Yeah, so this is the code. And first of all we have to import the components. So whatever the components we have to use this, we have to import that components from React. And yeah, before we have discussed about the cookies also, right? JW token like that, and redirect to the pages or like that. And whatever the CSS we have designed and implemented to import this index CSS also. Yeah, class login form extension. So this is the component which we have to use the login form. And here are some of the functions also is there. On submit function, failure function, login details, all this is, and change username when and we have the multiple usernames here. Yeah, one second, I will show that we have usernames are also that. Sorry for that. Yeah, so guys, user credentials. Yeah, this is the usernames and password. Different types of using of the following credentials, like Akash and password sky@007 username is there. So these all the credentials are used to log in this page, right? And we have, and going to code. So these are all the change usernames. First of all we have given to Akash, and again we have to change another name and another password. Yeah, so these two functions are very functions are developed regarding that different types of usernames and passwords like that, right? So event and target value means username, whatever the user want to want to give the username and password. So all the things are from user side, right? And user input container means we have to show that login username and password container like that. So that is maybe this was. So yeah, this is the container, username container and password container. So this is the container of the user login, right? And so yeah, render this one user login page. All of the user login page is render like that, and render password input container like and we have to see that, right? And render things. So yeah, this is if token not equal to render, whatever the token is not corrected or like that. Whenever not looking and immediately it will be redirected to home page like that. We have to use that. So this is all about the user code, login form code, right? And after that immediately login we have to go home page, right? So this is the home page and this is the index css and this is so import header from header whatever the home page is like some have or some like there. So I will show that. Sorry. Yeah. So this is the home page and this is the header and this is search bar, this is the home profile and logout. These all are included in the November, right? So here is one, here is the one like header and stories, post, search post, and context search context and separately, and we will discuss furtherly about the search context and right, all that things. So here we have imported from header whatever the component we have designed regarding the header file and storage component and post list component. So all these things are imported to appear the home page. So here is the search context that consumer and value also such input such post view. So a header and div class name is equal to b. So this is the css and such post view input such input means the user which want to search that post what of the post has been posted by another user and then all of the things are shown in this home page, right? And yeah, so not found. Yeah, this is the not found component. And here mainly not found means whatever the user has been, whatever the user wanted to go for that particular page, right? So suppose the user want to home right now login page and I want to log out people and I will show you. So yeah, this is the login page, right? Uh, yeah, that means the user whenever he entered the wrong path before without a wrong path like it and it will be redirected to not that means the app did not that page in that app. So anyway like that so that is the not home page, uh, home like that and profile, yeah. So this is the profile page. So here we have to see the how to appear the not home. So here user whenever user want to go the profile page and something random path will be given the user. So because I have searched like that random, so and enter that and yeah. So this is the page not found. So whenever the page is not included in the app, that means by in the backend the app did not recognize it whether there is a page is included or not, or the user given back pathway like that. So and apart from that, we have to slash or profile enter and yeah, this is the home page. It means so furtherly I have to move for yeah profile. We have to see earlier right next date is so this is the profile page and these are the import components which we have to import for this profile page, right? Initial and in progress, success, failure, and all the statuses are shown in this profile. So here we have to do class profile component, right? Get my profile details and this does it my profile status whether it is in progress or whether it is in failure or success or other initial means it is load whenever we want to go that page and before and after we we want to log into home profile. Whenever we have gone to profile, and it will take some time to open the page, and that initial that stage is in initial stage, and after that is in progress state. And whenever the page is successfully loaded, it has been like success and failure, and all the things are shown in the home profile whenever we want to log in that home page. Yeah, this is the two functions, like the get my profile details, and like that here profile means id, data profile id, profile pic, followers. So I will show it like home. This is the profile page. So here is it is now initializing and loading the page, right? So yeah, this is the home profile, and this profile name, post and followers, and all these things are shown in the home profile, and what are the posts the user has been posted earlier, and some icons are also there, and these all the things are shown in the profile page, right? So yeah, this is id, user id, username, profile pic, followers count, following count, user by, this all data should be in their profile. Yeah, so this is and profile, and Rahul means user name, and post how many posts he has been posted as earlier, and how many followers has been following him, and Rahul, and what is his designation. These all the things are given in the profile page, right? And after that, this is a render. Render means how to show the profile to display, and how to render it. This is all okay. And almost and profile card is there now. Yes, and this is a profile card, and profile data and list items are also count here in profile. Yeah, and protected route means it redirected a route from reactor down and imported some cookies, and protected route if token equal to undefined, that will redirect to slash login. If it is not defined, means undefined, and it will be redirected to login page. So all the things are included in this protected route. And search posts. So here the user want to search whatever the post has been notified by him, and like that all these things are here. So render loading, beyond retry, render post failure, changing like icon, and all these things are included in this, right? Okay. And stories. Your stories means whatever the stories user has been posted, right? Here is await, fetch, behavioral options. If response okay, then it will be success, and it is not okay, it will not success. And like these all things are in this component, right? So this is an import loader, cookies, stories list, whatever the components we have to use for this stories, right? And stories list, index.js stories list, what are the stories we have to listed here is class stories list, and class name, and slip item, and means user id, what is the what we have to use the stories, right? So these are the posts. And after that user stories, right? So this is the user story section. Class name, store source image, and class name is story images, like this the css class name, like that image source, whatever the images has been posted in the file. And the context here, post context dot json, click increase means likes, whatever what are the whenever the users to see some posts, and after that immediately they want to like or dislike or whatever that. Here is the component to the posts are increase the amount or increase the likes or decrease the likes, and all these things are applicable by post context. And here is the search context. Search context means on change, like you on change, unlike change or whatever we want to change this icons or like that, we have to follow this search context is like. And this is final app.js. So this is the most important component, whichever the whole app should be displayed. And here important portions which root, redirect, login, form, product, root, home, all these components are imported in this app case. So actions component, we have to create the app component means enclose header button, change search button, insert search button, more options, search box, and render whatever the design we have to render, components I have to render, this function will be applicable. So right, and that's for default app. So guys, this is all about the my Insta mini project which I have done well. And so that's me. Okay. And thank you.